Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. Okay, so in this video I'll be showing you how to boot into download mode on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. This will also work with the regular Samsung Galaxy S21 and also the S21 Plus. Okay, so you might need to boot into download mode to flash a stock firmware. So you might be wondering how to do it. So I'm just going to guide you through real quick. So it's real simple to do, guys. So you will need a PC and a USB cable. So just plug in the USB cable to your phone and then just plug it into the PC, just like that. And now just power off the phone. So power off. And then once it's off, you're going to press the volume up button, volume up, and also the power button. So you're going to keep both held down. So volume up and power, just keep them both held down just like that. Okay, so once you see the Samsung boot up screen, you can let go. Okay, so now we are in the stock recovery. So you will see some options here. So just use the volume down button and navigate to where it says reboot to bootloader. So there it is, reboot to bootloader. And then just hit the power button to select it. And then the device will boot into download mode. So we are now in download mode. Okay, so it's that simple, guys. I hope this video helped you out. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and also share the video. If you're not subscribed already, please subscribe. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next video. Deuces.